Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and just crazy volume, well above average, and just one of these stocks where you don't really like to see it because you know a bunch of people got absolutely destroyed on it from just the way it behaved all day long. But nonetheless, I do also know that there's a lot of people still watching it, asking questions, so want to get some of these key technical levels mapped out moving forward. So I want to just first start off here by squeezing down the chart to illustrate a level that I would definitely consider an absolute must-hold level as far as the big picture chart is concerned, and that's down here at 85 cents. Why is 85 so important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just to justify and kind of explain why this is such an important level. But if the price were to come down to 85 and then break down below and continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this huge channel, huge range that it just broke out of today. Or said another way, that would imply that the price absolutely exploded out of this range to then go right back to where it was, which is not exactly a sign of genuine power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that that is what's going to happen, but that is definitely why 85 cents is a very, very important level of support moving forward. Now I'll zoom back in here because in the event maybe this thing decides it wants to start to bounce back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level of resistance right up there around the $1.10 mark. Actually, let me just double check that. $1.12. So, all right, $1.12. And then after $1.12, next key level up there right around the $1.50. And then after $1.50, things get interesting again because there is quite a bit of wiggle room there for the price to potentially pick up momentum again. But as of right now, in my opinion at least, top priority is not necessarily busting through a bunch of levels of resistance. Top priority is just trying to consolidate out and chip away and build a higher low. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, as of right now, the chart's looking pretty shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.